I love talking about superfluids. They're one of the weirdest states of matter. So in short, a superfluid is the same as a normal fluid, except it does everything way better, basically infinitely. All fluids have some sort of viscosity, some sort of thickness. Superfluids have zero viscosity, no thickness. That means nothing slows down their flow. So if you were to, stir a cup of superfluid and, create a vortex with it, it would still be spinning if you came back to it a day later. It would still be spinning if you came back to it 1,000,000 years later. Superfluids are some JoJo's Bizarre Adventure bullshit. And having zero viscosity means really weird things happen. This is a normal glass of water. Do you see how it's slightly curved? There's a bit of a depression in the middle. That's because the atoms in the side of the glass slightly attract the water. But the water has viscosity, so it only bends a very little bit. Since superfluids have no viscosity, that means that there's nothing to stop them being attracted by the glass. Which means a superfluid will actually climb out the sides of its container infinitely until it spills over and eventually levels itself. And this is not theoretical. We have seen this happening in labs. We have photographic and video evidence. Another cool thing about superfluids is because they have zero viscosity, they can flow through any crack, period. This means cracks in solids we can't see, cracks at literally the atomic level, the superfluid will flow through. And since most solid matter has cracks like this, it basically looks like the fluid is just ghosting through solid matter, and then leaking out the other side. So yeah, it is some comic book shit, but it is real, it actually exists, and it exists here on Earth. Basically super cool helium until it turns into a liquid, and you get a superfluid. And the funny thing is that to get that cold, you need to be colder than the vacuum of space. Literally, some of the coldest places in the universe are right here on Earth, creating superfluids. Pretty mind-blowing, huh? Fact is sometimes a lot stranger than fiction.